Hey guys, I'm back with my friend Chris, or...
Channel Chris. Channel Chris with a K, like a TV channel, but Chris, K-R-S.
So I did something that I don't normally do, which is buy a pair of sneakers, and it's, I guess, Chris's fault for that, because he's a big sneakerhead, or whatever you call them. So we're gonna do an unboxing video, and Chris is gonna talk about the shoes, because I don't really know anything about.
So see, there you go. This is the Nike React Element 87 men's size 7.
You know, I have to say something about this, that on the sneaker app, they advertise a man and a woman wearing them, but then when they released, they only had them in men's sizes, which I can get a men's size, but why not also advertise it in women's sizing?
What color is this?
Bone or something?
Sail light bone.
Yeah, sail light bone. They also come in black.
Retails for
$160.
$160.
Which is the most I've ever spent on a sneaker. Maybe the most I've ever spent.
That's the most you've ever spent on a sneaker?
Honestly, yeah, that's really expensive. But I just wanted to say...
What about inflation?
Well, no, I mean... I'm a size, though, women's 8.5 or a 9, depending on the shoe. And so...
Your nail.
I know, I'm sorry. So... I got the men's size 7, which fits me perfectly. So if you are an 8.5 or 9, get the 7. But you can't because they're sold out. Sorry. But they'll be re-releasing them in new colorways.
In 2019, probably.
In a long time.
Yeah. Okay, that's all good news. So I think Nike needs to just hear that complaint, because it would be easier for you just to order them online in the women's size. It shouldn't be that difficult.
Yeah, because I had to do a lot of research to figure out, you know, if they were true to size. Wow.
There it is. Okay, so talk about the shoe.
Oh, well, so, yeah, it's kind of strange because the front, what is this, a panel, is see-through.
That's the upper.
The upper is see-through. There's not much leather on this shoe, which, I mean, I guess it's by design. Yeah, so it's really futuristic looking, which I like. These are really cool, and they're something different. I don't have anything like this. So, I don't know, I was just very drawn to them, and the coloring...
Space age looking.
Yeah, I don't know why I was drawn to these, but I really was. And I'm very glad that I got them. So they have this weird... futuristic sole that's really bouncy feeling. I wonder if it will be when you put it on. And then there's cork inside, which I think is supposed to be for if you're wearing it with no socks.
Oh, you got two shoes.
Oh yeah.
You got the left and the right.
Good thing I have 2 feet. Yeah, shoe porn.
Shoe porn, yeah, it's nice. I bet you can't wait to put this on your foot.
I can't.
Yeah.
They feel like they're gonna be really comfortable. I just have a feeling.
Well, let's try them out. Stand them and walk by the door so we can see the whole
Should I put the other one on?
Do you want to?
Ooh, they're really squishy.
Turn sideways so I can see them sideways. All right. What do you think?
I think they're very comfortable.
Can you walk out the door so I can see your head to toe? There you go. All right, what do you think?
I like them.
Yeah?
Yeah, what do you think?
You're going to keep them? Yeah, I like them.
I'm going to keep them. Do they look good?
Yeah, they look good. I mean, this isn't the type of shoe that I would normally see you wearing.
Yeah.
But I think we're, heading you in the right sneaker direction. So I think this is the entree into you having sneakers and not just, shoes that are fashion.
What's a sneaker?
Well, it's like a little more, it's not so conservative.
I'm not very...
Not that you're conservative, but your sneaker selection is sort of more little trending toward or not trending, but heading a little more toward the classic. This is a little more new.
They're really they're very bouncy.
Really?
Yeah.
That's the Nike React.
Really?
It's like a machine pushing your feet back
like,
off
I feel like it could spring up and just,
I don't know. Do what? The Lindy Hop? You could spring up and do the Lindy Hop? What do you...
They're just they're nice.
Like cushiony, comfortable?
Yeah, cushiony. Really cushiony. The most cushiony of all shoes that I own.
Really? Do you feel like you could wear these things around New York City?
Yes.
Comfortably?
Yes.
Do you think that would help you walk around the city?
Yes.
Someone was chasing you. Do you feel like you could run away?
Yeah, like. Yeah, I could do a brisk jog.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, but I wouldn't recommend running a marathon in them. Also, it would scuff them up.
Right. You don't.
See, I wonder if you had like color. You could have red nails that
Yeah.
would match the red shoe.
That's true.
Yeah, I like the one with the stripe, but.
They both have stripes. What's his name? Luke Wilson and Royal Tenenbaums. Does it look like I have like a weird?
It looks like you have a sock shoe that goes up there.
Is it weird?
Yeah, I wouldn't go for these.
Should I return them?
I don't know.
Is it a weird look? Do you just wear white ankle socks?
I think you should wear like the lower socks.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is a hot shoe for the year. And that might be why people are referring to it as the shoe of the year. There are some official shoe of the years, like what is it, Footwear Magazine or Footwear, whatever that one was.
Don't ask me. Yeah, so I like these shoes, and I think they're something that I don't have in my current wardrobe. Do you wish you had a pair?
I do wish I had a pair. Yeah. Someone didn't wake me up early enough in the morning. You know, I got a text after she ordered her pair. She's like, "Hey, did you get your pair?" No, but I'm glad that you ordered yours.
I'm not sure why I am responsible for Chris waking up in the morning.
I am forgetful. I did something
Really?
the night
Yeah, but I
before,
did
and I
something-
needed to sleep in. I was dog sitting at my friend's place, so I wasn't in my bed. It was in my regular routine.
Wait.
Stuff happened.
Wait. Did I text you the night before?
You texted me the night before, but you said something like, you said, "Oh, it's back on the sneaker app," and I was like, "It's always been on the sneaker app for me."
So this is what happened. Chris,
I was like, "Yeah, you're not going to be able to get one."
Chris, the day before, says, "Oh, no, we went on the app and it said, if you live in New York or Chicago, you can go reserve to pick them up." And so that was all sold out. It was all gone. We missed it.
Yeah, we missed that one.
And so then it wasn't on the app at all. And so I was like, and then
It
Chris
was
like,
on the app.
Chris was like, you
it
can only
was
get
on
it.
the app. You didn't refresh your app. You didn't scroll. It was on the app. I showed you it was on the app. It was always there if you scroll down and stare.
You can only get them if you wait online. And so then later before I went to bed, I was like checking the app, checked the app, and then they were back, and it said like notify me. So I did that, and then I said, Chris, they're back. We could buy them online on the app.
Yes, and I went on there and I picked my size and started putting the information in, and it took a long time, and then it was like, sold out. So I was almost got
I
a pair.
was really nervous because I woke up, and with being Friday the 13th and all, I was kind of nervous. But I went in to put them. I put them in my cart. Was in line to buy them or whatever on the virtual line, and then my credit card texted me and said, fraudulent activity. Did you try to purchase sneakers for $160? And I said yes, and they were like, oh, well, you have to process it again. And then I got the same thing again, but that time they went through. So clearly my credit card knows that I'm not buying $200 pairs of sneakers often, but
I'm sure this has happened to a lot of people because I
was really nervous they were going to be gone.
So your credit card companies are not messing around with expensive sneakers.
Yeah, but if that then you couldn't get them, that would have been sad.
Yeah, well, I didn't get these.
Well, wait, if you have a size 12, Chris will buy them from you at retail.
At retail value. Oh, someone out there is going to give me a pair for retail. There's going to be someone that's like, yes, I have a pair for you, Chris, for retail. I might even give you a little extra money. And I might give you like a tip, a gratuity. Yeah. Let me feel how light it is. Can I feel how light it is? Can I try it? Whoa, so light. It's just so light, I can't even. All right, anything else you want to say?
I don't think so. I don't really know what else there would be to say.
Okay, I guess that's it.
Thanks for watching.
Yep, thanks for watching.
You could subscribe to both of our channels below.
Anything else?
No, I don't think
so. Rachel's probably going to do more unboxing videos, I suspect. She loves them. We've done.
I don't know. I don't know if anybody would want to see that though.
Sure,
so if you would like to see me unboxing more shoes, you could see that on Chris's channel.
Right.
We'll be unboxing the Air Jordan Shadows.
Air Jordan 1.
1 Shadows.
Yeah, she's getting good. She's getting good.
Yeah, I know a lot about the Air Jordan now.